Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to week 6 of Tech CAD. I'm going to quickly go over all of the things that we're going to be doing this week so that you are aware and can check on this video to make sure you're getting everything done. So the first thing, this will be done in class. You will not fill this out until you are in class. I will be giving you materials to take home so that you can do your hand drafting at home as well as in school. But I need you to have those materials physically so that you can sign off in the sheet saying that you have the materials, you promise to be respectful of them, and that you'll return them all in the condition that they're in when I want them back. So that's what this form is. You will only fill this out in class. You will not fill this out unless you are in class. The next thing are the drafting tools. I recommend that B-Day students do this first, A-Day students do this second. This goes over all the different types of drafting tools that we would use for hand drafting. I do not give you every drafting tool that's listed in this chapter. I give you about 9 or 10 different tools to use, but it goes over those tools and how to use them. I will also be giving you a demonstration on how to use the tools that you get to take home so that you aren't confused on how they work. The last thing that you'll be doing, and I recommend that A-Day students do this first, B-Day students do this second, is the border and title block. I give you a border and title block setup, and you'll be recreating 2 of these. Now, the reason I say that B-Day students will do the second is because you need to come into school to get this paper. It is a 9x12 sheet of paper, and you need your tools to do that as well. So you have to wait till you come into school to grab them. But yeah, that's all I got. You'll be making 2 of these, and you'll be turning them in on a Google Doc here. And I have it. It says turn into border and title blocks. Fill out the date. Put the date you made it here. Scale 1 to 1. Title it either drawing 1 or drawing 2, depending on if it's border 1, border 2, and then your name. Submit 1 picture of each on a Google Doc, and I will want to see them next week. So you'll also be getting a portfolio for you to store all of your drawings in. The portfolio looks like this. You'll be putting all of your drawings in here so that they are nice and neat. So when I want to see them next week, you'll have this in your book bag to show me. But those are the 3 things that you'll be doing this week. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy to navigate. Next week, we'll be actually centering our isometrics and our orthographics on this sheet of paper so that we can draw them and you can do technical sketches on the paper. But that's what this is setting us up for. If you have any questions, like always, feel free to email me. If not, just make sure you get everything turned in. Hope you guys have a great week.